Summer is here and it's 50 degrees outside. Normal people use fans or AC, but you're smarter. Here's the ultimate hack. Just sit inside the fridge, instant cooling. No electricity bill. Well, except when your fridge explodes. Day 1. Ah, refreshing. Day 3. You live here now. Day 7. Congratulations, you're officially a leftover. Sure, your food smells like deodorant now, but hey, at least you're not sweating. And that's it. How to beat the heat the wrong way. Don't try this unless you really want to become tomorrow's frozen dinner.